After every alternative has been evaluated, consumers take the next step with their decision to make a purchase or not. Find out why your brand needs decision videos right now. Hey everyone, what is going on? I'm Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In the previous two videos of this series, we've covered the first two initial stages of a customer's journey with awareness and consideration videos. The next and typically final step of a consumer's buying process is the decision stage. So in this video, we'll be talking about what you should use in your decision videos. At this point in the journey, a buyer has decided on a solution category. They have a strategy in place to address their pain point, but are still deciding on a specific tool to purchase or vendor to work with. A buyer may spend significant time researching, documenting, gathering data, vendor reviews, and other materials to gain confidence in their decision. Content offers at this stage may include things like vendor or product comparisons, case studies, and maybe even free trials. Key terms to include in your decision videos will be compare, pros and cons, review, and test. These align with the decision-making process and position your content as a resource, not a hard sales pitch. Understanding the buying process that your customers go through is critical for any marketer. However, overcomplicating your content is a mistake that I see a lot of brands making. What you have to do is put yourself in the position of the consumer you want to speak to and ask yourself if the content is truly a resource or if it's a hard sales pitch. If your content doesn't offer value and help them reach a potential resolution, meaning their overall decision, you're putting yourself in a difficult position to succeed. Remember, the main goal of the buyer's journey is to take advantage of a more customer-focused philosophy to better position your brand for addressing the needs of your target audience. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.